how to add photo to Instagram notes. So if you want to add photo to your Instagram notes, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to just go with your message icon, which will be in the bottom. Now, once you're in your message section, you need to just simply go with your notes, which will be in the top. From notes here on the bottom, you will have 2 to 3 options. If you have the latest update, then you won't find a camera icon. But before you had a camera icon right here, you can just simply tap on the camera icon and you'll be able to add a photo to your Instagram notes. But now, with the newest update, you don't have any option to add photos to your Instagram notes. Instead, you have a GIF option and a location and music. So if you don't want to go with your GIF or music or location, but if you want to add photos, then what you can do is just simply go back, and here Instagram has a new feature, which is Quick Snap. You can just simply tap on it and it's called Instant. You can share little moments like no edits. You can send instantly or share with your friends. The photos will disappear. Instance can be viewed again once they're gone and can't be viewed after 24 hours. So just simply go with try it. Just take a photo and that's it. Tap on got it, which will be on the bottom. And in this way, you'll be able to add photos on your Instagram. It's like your notes, but with a new name, which is Instant. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.